I'm the mom that's always had a side hustle. I'm the mom that has sold an MLM her entire life. I am also that mom that said, I could never make money on the internet. I could never make that kind of money. But here I am, making in 3 months more than my yearly salary at the 9 to 5 that I've had for 17 years. You can do it, okay? I did it without a following. I did it without a mentor because I plugged into this community and followed it step by step. I did it with no experience and no idea how, but I knew the Lord had something in store for me that was bigger than being stuck in a budget, paycheck to paycheck kind of life. I encourage you, step out in faith, change the situation that you're in. Digital marketing is our future. Social media is our future. I have spun my wheels with MLMs for over 20 years, and the income and the change that has brought to my life in these few short months, I desperately want that for you. Oh my goodness. If nothing changes, nothing changes.